Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. First thing first, download the Coinbase Wallet app on your Android or iPhone device and create an account and log in to it. Now go to payment methods, then link a bank account, debit card or wire transfer. Now tap buy and sell on the app, then tap the plus buy button. Search for Tether USDT in the assets list or whatever crypto you want to buy. Now tap the text field to enter how much you want to spend in your local currency. The minimum is $1 and Coinbase will automatically convert it into USDT. Tap Preview Order, then double check all payment and purchase details. Tap Buy Now to confirm, and once processed, you'll see a confirmation screen. Your Tether is now in your Coinbase wallet. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.